Next flow ring blade air wipes are devices that are utilized for drying and cooling extruded materials. They're utilized for drying wire, rope, cable, any sort of extruded profiles such as window profiles, automotive trim. What makes them different from previous types of designs is that they are low cost and designed in such a way to use amplified compressed airflow to clean and dry much more effectively and efficiently and more quietly than previous designs on the market. Traditionally, air wipes have been designed specifically for a particular type of part, and of course they work very well. Because they are individually designed, they tend to be more costly. And of course, replacement, if necessary, would also be quite costly. The Next Flow ring blade air wipes are produced in volume, keeping the cost down. They're in standard sizes from 3/8 inch all the way up to 11 inch inside diameters to handle anything from wire to extruded pipe. Special designs, special diameters can be made, if appropriate, for a particular extrusion. Because they are so efficient, utilizing amplified airflow, that where traditionally you may require 3 or 4 air wipes, you may only need 2 or 3, thereby reducing energy costs further. Next Flow ring blade air wipes are available in anodized aluminum and in stainless steel for environments where maybe there's high heat or a corrosive atmosphere, wherever stainless steel may be a special need. Next Flow ring blade air wipes, apart from being utilized in extrusion, they've been utilized for other types of applications as well. And even special versions have been made to allow them to fit into particular type of applications. One has been to actually clean tooling. A tool may be manufactured or reconditioned. It comes off the machine fairly dirty. It can be then dropped through the air wipe, cleaning the tool and putting it aside for the next operation. Ring blade air wipes are generally in 2-piece form, although special 1-piece versions have been manufactured. The 2-piece form allows the air wipe to be put apart when you have to feed an extruded material through. For example, a bubble that's formed when you begin an EPDM extrusion. You then open the air wipe, pass the bubble through, close it, and then continue the extrusion process. Very flexible in design, very efficient in design. Special applications can be addressed, and very efficient in operation.